see you. I see you. I see you. I see you.
I see you too. Hey, Sabrina.
What? What is it? Water. Daddy. It's water. Water.
Oh my. Whose water is that? Whose water is that?
Daddy.
Daddy?
Walk.
Yeah. That's a lot in there. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you say Sabrina?
Pizza.
Are you taking your cup and your pig for a walk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are you gonna go? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh. Oh. It's not open. Hi, Piglet. Piglet. Hi. You're so cute.
Is it cute?
Now we have a lot of pets. One is enough pet.
One is enough.
Mm-hmm.
How many do we have right now?
2.
Yeah.
That's enough. Not 3 is enough. 4 is enough. 5 is enough. Hi. Oh, my your feet up.
That's pretty cute. Easter. And yours is made of bunnies. Do you see all the bunnies? Let's turn it over. You see where they have a little glitter, I think it is, a little glitter pen that you can use. You squeeze the tube, you can give them an eye. And then, yeah! Yay, yay.
That's a big one.
Yeah, a big eye. Oh, I see. Yes, it is. Okay.
There's Sabrina.
Okay.
Sabrina, can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? No?
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.